Inventory managers. Have you ever wanted to interact with your Dynamics GP historical inventory reports in a spreadsheet? But exporting to a CSV resulted in an illegible mess. Over the years, we heard this sentiment repeated by multiple clients and decided to help them out with a refreshable Excel historical stock status report. Our Excel report has all the same options and filters available as GP's historical stock status, but allows us to include custom fields that are not available by modifying the GP report. The report pulls current item quantities and all inventory transactions back to the as-of date directly into the spreadsheet. There you can analyze your data with the convenient, familiar Excel functionality without taking up a GP seat rerunning the report with different filters. Let's jump into a test environment and take a look. The Excel report executes a customized stored procedure, feeding the necessary parameters into SQL, and inserting the results to a specified worksheet. These parameters are the same options and restrictions available inside GP, but we set the connection up to use default values for most of them, keeping our list of parameters concise. Whenever a parameter is changed, the data refreshes. Allowing you to pull reports with ease. The pulled data includes a header record for the current values per item and site, and transaction details going back to the configured as-of date. Summing the quantities and extended costs gets your historical values on the as-of date. Pivoting the transaction details gives us summarized data that matches the values generated by GP. If you too would like your historical inventory report in a spreadsheet, please reach out to gpsupport@profit.ca today. Thank you and goodbye.